Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can record screen and audio using OBS Studio. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my OBS Studio application, and if we want to record screen and audio, first thing first, we need to click on this plus button and you have to select the display capture. Okay, and I'm going to create new, then we can click on OK. And after that, we're going to click on OK. And then you can click on this plus button again and select audio input capture. Then you can click on OK. And then you can choose the microphone. And I'm just going to use my laptop microphone. So I'm going to select this one and click on OK. And after that, we're going to select this display capture and go to the setting. Okay, in the setting, you need to select the output setting. And then we're going to choose the recording path and then the recording format. And you can customize it as you need. And I'm just going to leave it like that. Then we can click on OK. Okay, and if we want to start the recording, we just need to click on Start Recording. And now the recording is being started. And you just need to record the screen that you want to record. For instance, you want to record your OBS, so you just need to leave it like that, or you can record another window. Okay, and I'm going to stop recording. Alright guys, and that's all the way to record screen and audio using OBS Studio. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.